This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Located in desirable Hidden Hills Subdivision, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has great updates and open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. The main level has a living room that is open to the kitchen/dining area. Both feature vaulted ceilings and open stairway to 3 bedrooms and beautiful updated full bath. The lower level has a large family room with gaswood stove, lots of daylight windows, full bath and laundry with storage area. This home also has an attached 2-car garage and great shaded backyard with newer fence and storage shed. For more information, review the details below.